How can we pronounce the long vowel A? Long vowel A has many different sounds. The first sound of it is air, air, air. As when you say the word air, air. So you are going to make your tongue and lips relaxed. Okay, when you say the long sound vowel air, air. Okay, as in rare, care, share, prepare. Rare, care, share, prepare. Okay, don't miss that when you say the long vowel A, the first sound of it, air, air. You are going to make your tongue and lips relaxed, okay? And notice here that all of these words have the letters A and E, so we pronounce all of them air, air, okay? As in rare, care, share, prepare. Number 2 here, ah, ah, ah. So the second voice of the second sound of the long vowel A is ah, ah, as in father, rather, ka, ba. Okay, father, rather, ka, ba. So you are going to make your you are going to open open your mouth wide, okay? Ah sound. Here you are going to round your lips when you say the sound O, O, O. So round your lips when you say O, as in call, ho, tall, walk, saw, wall, okay? Call, whole, tall, walk, saw, wall. And all of these words, notice here that have at the end of them a double L, or at the beginning of some words there's a WA to pronounce it wa, wo, walk, as in walk, and at the end of them AW as in so. So you are going to make your round your lips when you say the sound O, O, okay? The fourth sound of long vowel A is the same name of the letter A. So the sound of long vowel A here is A, A. The same thing of the name of the letter A, as in bay, way, stay, able, table, cable, wait, ate, great, gray. So A, A. And notice here in bay, way, stay, ending by A, Y, and we pronounce them A. Notice here also we be at the beginning of able, and able also pronounce it A, and table, cable at the middle between two consonant letter, we pronounce it also A, as in table, cable, wait, AI here, also we pronounce it A, eight, EIG, it's the G here is silent because it has the sound A, long vowel A, eight, great, great, and when you see the ES letter, we pronounce it also A, as in great, gray, EY, also we pronounce it A. So don't miss that There is a sound, the same name of the letter A is A. Okay. We are going to know some exceptions here, or some words that a lot of people confused of using or pronouncing these some of these words. Has the short vowel e, and all of them think that it has a long vowel a. No, it's wrong. As in private, climate, legitimate. So the sound of a here has the short sound e. Okay, as in private, climate, legitimate. Private, climate, legitimate. That's okay. We have also here schwa. Schwa sounds. The schwa sounds here means means unstressed syllables. Letters have unstressed syllables, or we can call them lazy. Lazy a. Okay, lazy a. As in banana, aman, around, amazing, abound. Okay, these are not long vowel. So we can call them schwa sounds. We have also silent letter a in some words. Okay, as in basically we don't pronounce the sound a. Basically, separately, and automatically. So the a sound here is silent, and we don't pronounce the sound a. I hope from God to have the benefits of this lesson for today. Wait for me in another video to explain the long sound e and the short sound e, God willing. Don't miss to make, share, like, and subscribe. See you soon, and goodbye.